Hello friends, do you suffer from severe neck or back pain or sciatica or spinal stenosis caused by a slipped or herniated disc? Well, Dr. Keith Currie of Currie Health and Wellness Diagnostic Center would love to send you a free report that could help you get relief from these conditions. Dr. Currie's treatment methods, hey, they don't involve surgery. They have a high success rate. People travel from all around the world to go through one of Dr. Currie's unique programs. That severe neck and back pain relief report has a $19.97 value, but Dr. Currie's going to send it to you for free. All you have to do is pick up the phone and call the toll-free 24-hour recorded message to get your copy. Hey, you can do it. Well, here we sit with another one of your very satisfied patients, Dr. Currie. I noticed that you've called back some of your old patients for some of these segments. Why have you decided to do that?
Well, Dave, patients are like family, you know, and a lot of patients have said that, but it's true. Our patients are like family. When they finish their program, we truly miss them. And, you know, so sometimes life happens. You know, you can be in a car accident, or you can fall, or you can bend over and pick up a paper clip off the floor and blow your low back out. I mean, stuff happens. And so from time to time, I'll get to reconnect with someone from a decade past, you know, and that comes back to me and says, hey, you helped me the first time. I've re-injured my back. I want you to do the same thing you did before.
Okay, so that person this time is Kim. What's so special about her case?
Oh, it's wonderful. I mean, she did really, really well. I mean, for 10 years, she lived life again, you know, after she went through my program. And then we had a little mishap, you know, and then, you know, it put her down. And she was having really bad low back pain and sciatica as a result of that. And so she came back in and said, okay, I stepped in a hole. And my back was doing great until I stepped in that hole.
All right, let's turn it over to her and let her tell us how that happened. How did you happen to go for hole? What was it?
Well, I live out in the country, and I was walking through my yard and looking up and not paying any attention, and just stepped in a hole and threw my back out, and I knew right then I was going to have to call Dr. Currie.
Well, you had lived now, you had been treated by Dr. Currie some 10 years ago.
Right.
You'd lived a perfectly normal life, and all of a sudden this happened and you've hurt your back. Pick up the story from there.
Well, I called him. We went through the 5 or 6 treatments, and I had sciatica pain from stepping in that hole, and I had one treatment from the deep laser, and it was gone.
My
And I'm feeling great now. I only had 5 treatments. I had 6 scheduled, but I only had 5, and I'm just feeling great.
Well, the next question I'm supposed to ask you, I guess, is why did you decide to go to Dr. Currie? Now, you could have gone to another doctor, right? You could have had injections. You could have had medications. You could have had things like that. But I guess the obvious answer is you got results the first time.
I tried all that over 10 years ago. Went through all the therapies, all the treatments, and I had saw Dr. Currie on the TV, and he was talking about and describing all the issues and things that I had, and I decided that's the person I need to go see. So I called and got my consultation, and he said, I can help you, and he did.
Well, absolutely. Why do you think your specialized treatments help sciatica patients so well? Well,
because I work on discs. The machines that we use are focusing in on discs. And I have a medical textbook that says in black and white, 90% of radiculopathy or nerve pain that goes into the legs or sciatica is caused by a disc problem. So people have arthritis, people have degenerative disc disease, people have things going on in their back, but really it goes back to that disc putting pressure on the nerves, and that's what we do, is we work to take that pressure off.
Kim was scared to death. She didn't want to do this. She agreed at the last minute to do it, but hadn't she done a good job? Thank you, Kim. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you, Doctor.
Don't forget to call that toll-free number to get your free report. Here's what Dr. Currie's patients had to say.
Well, I suffered for well over 10 years. I had to have my job. I had to get another one, and I didn't have any idea how my life was going to turn out. But due to the treatment that I got from Dr. Currie, it got me back on track. It's a miracle.
Remember to call the toll-free number to get your free report.